The surface prep is now in the US. It's a great product. What you're gonna do here is you're gonna take off anything that's on the paint from a protection standpoint, short of PPF. So one of the questions we get is if I have an old ceramic coating on there, it's gonna take that off. So one of the things that you're trying to create here is a surface that's free of any type of protectant that's on the vehicle here. Just spray it on, and then one of the great things is how quickly it flashes and just goes away. So literally within a wipe or two, it's gone and it's done what it's supposed to do. So right now, it's as simple as that. You've got a surface that's clean of any type of protectants or anything else that's on there. We've decontaminated it. So it is now ready to go in the absolute perfect form for the ceramic coating application. Okay, now we're gonna start on applying the ceramic coating onto the paint. And in this case, we're gonna start with the Pro, the up to 5 years ceramic coating that has been recently added to the US assortment. Simply apply it to the application sponge. You're gonna apply pretty heavy to start, and then after your applications, you're just gonna add a dot or two to reapply. So we're gonna work in small sections, and we're just gonna apply it up and down, then we'll do a cross hatch just to make sure that we have full coverage. And again, like I said, we're gonna use small little sections. You can go a little bit bigger than this in most cases, but just apply it. Make sure you have full coverage over all the surface. And the beauty about the Pro is there is literally almost zero dwell time. So once you get it done and it's ready to wipe. So at this point, the product has been applied, it has bonded, and what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna go back over and do a quick wipe over the whole surface. Flip your towel over, do a final wipe. One of the other questions that we get is how long do you need to wait before you can either wash it or get it wet or drive it. A couple hours really, it's ready to drive. You want to try to keep it from getting wet for 24 to 48 hours ideally. And then washing it, I would recommend, wait a week or so before you wash it, just to make sure that the whole bonding process has been completed.